Hi everyone, I'm Whit Roy. Today we're going to discuss the EWRB EST Electrical Service Technician written exam. This exam is essential for anyone aspiring to become a registered electrical service technician in New Zealand. We'll cover what the exam involves, how to prepare for it, and what to expect on the exam day. Let's quickly go over the details of the EWRB EST exam. This is an online exam conducted by Aspect Limited. You'll be provided with a laptop for the exam, as personal laptops are not allowed. The exam consists of 75 questions with a passing mark of 60%. This means you need to answer at least 45 questions correctly to pass. The exam duration is 2 hours, and the timer starts as soon as you click the start button. Once the time runs out, the platform will automatically submit your answers, but you can submit them earlier if you finish before the timer ends. The exam includes 3 types of questions. Multiple choice questions, 1 correct answer from 3, 4 options. Multiple select questions, more than 1 correct answer with 5 options. Numeric questions requires typing the correct numbers using the keyboard. Be mindful of decimal place requirements when entering your answers. To book this exam, you must first register through the Aspect system and then schedule your exam online. The exam fee is $135. During the booking process, you'll receive details about the reference materials provided, such as the EWRB formula sheet and scratch paper. Note that the formula sheet for the EST exam is the same as the one used for the electrician exam. Watching videos about the electrician exam formula sheet can be helpful, as more resources are available for that exam compared to the electrical service technician exam. The EST exam is offered year-round at various Aspect facilities, usually once per month. Results are typically released within 24 hours, often on the same day. If you don't receive your results, it might be due to missing conditions, such as the completion of a refresher course. In such cases, it's best to contact Aspect or your educational provider for assistance. For more details about the EWRB EST exam, please visit the Aspect website. Over the past 5 years, the Electrical Service Technician EST exam has shown changes in both candidate numbers and pass rates. The 2024-2025 year had the highest number of EST exam candidates with 749 exams sat. However, the pass rate dropped to 62.9% with 471 candidates successfully passing. The strongest performance was during the 2022-2023 period, where the EST pass rate reached 68.8%. From 2020 to 2025, the EST pass rate generally stayed within the mid-60% range, showing that the exam standard has remained relatively consistent over time. The data also shows increasing interest in the EST registration pathway, with candidate numbers gradually increasing again after the 2021-2022 period. After learning how to book and sit the exam, you'll naturally want to know the exam topics and how to prepare for them. First, I suggest downloading the EWRB Teaching Guidelines for Electrical Service Technician Written Examination Prescription from the EWRB website. The written examination will cover various aspects outlined in this prescription. This exam includes electrical theory, referencing electricity regulations and relevant standards, which are critical knowledge sources expected to be known by candidates. For example, topics like minimum insulation resistance values for an electrical installation or appliance, as per requirements from AS/NZS 3000 and AS/NZS 3760, will be incorporated into questions, especially those relating to testing. You may notice that letters A, B, C, and D appear in the right-hand margin of the guidelines, representing different levels of knowledge candidates are expected to attain. A. Thorough knowledge. B. Good working knowledge. C. General knowledge. Topics marked with A are the most important and require the most attention, followed by level B and then level C. Based on my analysis, the topics are distributed as follows. A. 73 topics, B. 54 topics, C. 26 topics. Since there are so many topics to cover, efficient preparation is crucial. From my teaching experience, focus on level A and calculations. They are the keys to acing the EST exam. A very important tip today for anyone planning to sit the EWRB exam. The first step is to choose the right refresher course provider. This is very important. Be careful because some providers' courses may still be based on the old paper-style exam. Since the exam moved to the online format in 2018, I would say the old paper exam is totally different from the online exam. It is like someone training you to drive an electric car, but they only have experience driving a petrol car. Before you enroll, ask two simple questions. First, has the tutor personally sat the online EWRB exam? Second, does the course provide online EWRB exam-style mock questions for practice, and how many questions are in the question bank? If the answer is no, think carefully before joining. I repeat, if the answer is no, think carefully before joining. Choosing the right course can save you time, money, and stress. For EWRB exam preparation, it is better to enroll in an EWRB exam refresher course. WIT. EWRB EST exam refresher course is a fully online self-paced course, so you can study in your own time from anywhere in New Zealand. The course is run by Writtern, who has published many EWRB exam study videos here. Course materials, videos, notes, mock exams, and review activities are provided online. You will get plenty of mock exams to practice, which helps you understand the question style, improve your timing, and find the areas you still need to review. Success is within your reach. Master the EWRB teaching guidelines, focus on key topics, and prioritize your preparation. With hard work and dedication, you'll pass the exam, achieve registration, and take a confident step forward in your career. Your effort today paves the way for a brighter tomorrow.